A question I often get asked is what's the difference between SEO and Google Ads? And this is an excellent question. Now, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. When you enter a keyword or a query into Google search, there are your first three results are paid Google Ads. People have paid to be in those positions. Following that are organic results. So websites that Google believes match your search inquiry. Now, and those businesses have not paid to be on the first page of Google because they organically match the keywords that you entered. So Google has gone, hey, these are good suggestions for you. Now, which way do you go, SEO or Google Ads? If money was not an object and you had the budget, I would recommend both search engine optimization as well as paid Google Ads, because together you will dominate the real estate within the Google search and almost guarantee yourself the click and the website visitor and then hopefully the business. Google Ads is instant because as soon as you pay, you start showing up for keywords that you want, regardless of what your website says. Loosely saying, because Google does have rules with Google Ads. I'm not going to get into it. But search engine optimization, when you invest in search engine optimization, your result is not instant. It takes work in the background, and then it takes time for the Google spiders and the Google robots to go back and read your website so that your website can register on page one for the certain keywords that you have optimized for. So one is instant and paid, and the other is slow and free. So it depends on which way you want to go. If you need help, happy to have a call with you. Book a call with me. It's a free 20-minute consultation, and I'll be able to steer you in the right direction. Until next time, friends. Bye for now.